Long before Fronius products are permitted to demonstrate their qualities in real life, a series of in-depth tests takes place behind the scenes to ensure they're fit for purpose. Even here, we're shifting the limits to well beyond what the standards demand. When in use, every device generates a specific operating temperature that can fluctuate according to its loading and duty cycle. To optimize the cooling processes used by the devices, the internal and external temperature distribution is monitored under various loading conditions using an infrared camera. Any company whose devices are expected to have a service life of up to 20 years has to get the better of the time factor during testing. We do this using an accelerated test procedure, as this is the only way of guaranteeing that the devices are fit for purpose. Real life doesn't always comply with the standards. That's why our tests go well beyond what the standards demand. For instance, what if freezing temperatures combine with moisture and the device ices up? A Fronius product must remain fully operational even under these conditions. Water is both a life-giver and yet potentially lethal. All Fronius products are therefore tested with regard to their particular application areas. The aim is to provide total and above all safe operational reliability, even when moisture levels are high. Salt and salt-laden air result in increased corrosion. To prevent this and to guarantee a long service life, we test our products in an environment containing extremely high levels of salt. Fronius products must be able to withstand harsh weather conditions for many years, which is why we subject them to testing conditions 10 times more severe than are found in nature. Dirt and particles of dust must not be able to enter our products, as they can cause short circuits and other defects. Building sites are dangerous places for people and devices, so our welding systems must remain stable up to a tilt angle of 10 degrees, even when fitted with additional components. Fronius products must not exhibit any failings when they are being moved around, either on the way to the site or when permanently installed in an emergency vehicle. Resistance to vibrations is the most important detail in this respect. Everyday life on a building site is hard, and the way our devices are treated is anything but gentle. The housing and components must therefore be able to withstand all manner of knocks. This is tested under realistic conditions in order to ensure no malfunctions can occur. When dropped, Fronius products must prove their resilience from above the standard height and under realistic conditions. This is the only way to guarantee total operational reliability and protect personnel. In mobile welding operations, the wire feed unit may be exposed to high tensile forces. We therefore carry out tensile strength tests using forces of up to 100 kilos. To check electromagnetic compatibility, we test in a shielded zero field room that is free from interference. Our products must not interfere with other devices in the vicinity. Neither must their operation be impaired by third-party devices. Shifting the limits a little further each day and repeatedly going that extra mile, whether in product development or the robustness tests, is the only way of achieving the level of quality that inspires our staff anew every single day. Fronius, shifting the limits.